Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at GoLinks. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit and manage your GoLinks. I am currently in my GoLinks dashboard and I want to show you how to change something. So what I'm going to show you today is something we use for new hires in our onboarding process, and it's the Go I Am New. So I'm actually going to go to that Go I Am New document here. As you can see, it's pulling it up. You'll see the three dots on the right side of the Go link, and if you click it, you're going to get different options that you can do per your tier of access. I am currently a member, and as you can see, I can still edit the Go link. As I click edit, the modal will open. You can change whatever it is that you need to change. I'm going to change the actual URL because we're changing to a new document. So I'm going to grab that URL here, and I'm going to now paste it in. As I paste it in, it will tell you if there are other Go links that are already created with this link. I'm still creating it with the current one as I am new because I'm trying to edit it since this is what my team uses for new hires. As I go here, I can update the Go link. It will tell you it's been successful and I can now close. Now when I go to this I am new doc, you're actually going to see that it's going to populate that new document that I had once referenced, and everybody should be good to go on that front. Now, going back to how you edit that document, if you go back to the three dots, I'm going to ask that you now click View Details. View Details is going to give you basically an audit of what the Go link has had from total minutes saved, related links, but also your audit trail. It's going to show you what was changed. So as you can see, that URL changed when I changed it, and it's going to show you what the previous information was just in case something was miscopied over or pasted incorrectly. You could always go back, copy this, and re-edit it yourself. But that's how you can edit and manage a Go link. Enjoy!